Hello everyone, I'm Thanasis and welcome back to Better Greek. Talking about the weather is a great conversation starter and the perfect way to practice your speaking in Greek. It's the typical small talk in a party where we don't know people, when we want to start a conversation with a taxi driver, or when we are waiting in a line. In this video, you learn the most important Greek phrases you need to have in your pocket to start a conversation about the weather. And we'll also see some mistakes you should avoid. Let's get started. First things first, let's see some useful words and phrases you need to know. Weather is kairos. Kairos. And if you want to ask about the weather, you can say Τι καιρό κάνει? Τι καιρό κάνει? How's the weather? It's cold. Κάνει κρύο. Κάνει κρύο. It's hot. Κάνει ζέστη. Κάνει ζέστη. It's sunny. Έχει ήλιο. Έχει ήλιο. It's cloudy. Έχει συννεφιά. Έχει συννεφιά. It's windy. Έχει αέρα. Έχει αέρα. It's windy. Φυσάει. Φυσάει. It's raining. Βρέχει. Βρέχει. It's snowing. Χιονίζει. Χιονίζει. If you want to ask about the temperature, you can say Τι θερμοκρασία έχει? Τι θερμοκρασία έχει? For example, it's 20 degrees. Έχει 20 βαθμούς. Έχει 20 βαθμούς. Let's use some of these phrases and see some examples. Τι καιρό κάνει σήμερα? Τι καιρό κάνει σήμερα? Σήμερα έχει συννεφιά και φυσάει. Σήμερα έχει συννεφιά και φυσάει. Another example. Τι καιρό κάνει τον χειμώνα στην Ελλάδα? Τι καιρό κάνει τον χειμώνα στην Ελλάδα? Τον χειμώνα κάνει κρύο και βρέχει. Τον χειμώνα κάνει κρύο και βρέχει. Τι καιρό κάνει το καλοκαίρι στην Ελλάδα? Τι καιρό κάνει το καλοκαίρι στην Ελλάδα? Το καλοκαίρι κάνει ζέστη και έχει ήλιο. Το καλοκαίρι κάνει ζέστη και έχει ήλιο. Now your turn. Use the phrases you learned and answer about the weather in your country. Τι καιρό κάνει τον χειμώνα στην χώρα σου? Τι καιρό κάνει τον χειμώνα στην χώρα σου? Answer using some of these phrases. Τι καιρό κάνει το καλοκαίρι στην χώρα σου? Τι καιρό κάνει το καλοκαίρι στην χώρα σου? Don't translate from English to Greek. In English, when talking about the weather, the phrases are it's hot, it's cold, it's sunny. They start with it is. if you translate from English to Greek, then you will probably say είναι ζέστη, είναι κρύο, είναι ήλιο, which is wrong. In Greek, when you say κάνει ζέστη, κάνει κρύο, you literally say it does hotness, it does coldness, which in a free translation, it means it's hot, it's cold. Let's see the weather phrases starting with κάνει. Κάνει κρύο, it's cold. Κάνει ζέστη, it's hot. And weather phrases starting with έχει, like έχει ήλιο, it's sunny. Έχει συννεφιά, it's cloudy. Έχει αέρα, it's windy. These phrases are with έχει. And last one is weather phrases using a verb, like one word. Φυσάει, it's windy. Βρέχει, it's raining. Χιονίζει, it's snowing. These are one word. We don't say κάνει χιονίζει, έχει χιονίζει or anything. It's one word. Now you know how to start conversations and talk about the weather with confidence and stress-free. Practice what you've learned in the real world and use your new phrases when interacting with locals. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning. Τα λέμε!